Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha here at My Bougie Farmhouse, and this is my little trusty helper. So it is time for us to up-pot our tomatoes.
Yeah.
If you don't know what up-potting is, so up-potting your tomatoes is when you take your tomatoes. Let me show you the other side. And basically what you do is it's time for each of these tomatoes to get their own cells. So we're going to break apart every single one of these tomatoes, and they're all going to have their own pots. You've already seen how we do our seed starting mix. Same thing, boiling water. And
Mama's cooking boiling
this
water.
time we're actually going to add a little bit of nutrients in this one. We're going to put a little bit of bone meal and what's the other one? Blood meal.
So Mama's cooking water right now, and here's about to dump it.
You go back up so you don't get hurt, right?
Yeah, it's gonna splash like, and then we have to do it with our hands. Whoa. Now we have to mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. So now we have to mix it up.
I thought I had some tomato too.
Okay. Now you squish it all together. Now we mix it all together. Now we flatten it out with our hands.
Alright, so I changed my mind. We're actually going to put the True Organics all-purpose plant food in there. I was going to use the blood meal and bone meal from Biotone, but I decided that I didn't want it to... The blood meal is high in nitrogen, so that's going to make it bush up really quickly. And we have about a good month and a half before the tomatoes can go out. So...
Good, get that.
Instead of doing that, we're just going to add cinnamon.
No.
You stay away from these tomatoes. So instead of using that, we're just going to go ahead and mix this in. And while we're waiting for that to cool down, we're going to get some good old Solo cups. Solo cups. And what you're going to do, I know we're going to need about 40, I believe it is. I need 40 tomato plants. No, I'll probably give some away, but I'm going to up-pot it and see which is the best that grows. Burger King. Alright, you need to do drainage holes. I normally just do one hole. And we went through all 10. Yeah.
Why is it all? Why are you doing that, Mom?
we need. We need drainage holes, so that way when you go ahead and feed your plants, they got all that water that you put in there can actually come out. Alright, so now that this is done, now you, my love, are going to get the joy of writing what kind of tomatoes we have. We got pear tomatoes. We have, what you said, Roma?
Yeah.
Yep, Roma. And then we have beefsteak tomatoes.
Beef.
Beef. So now I need you to write. Where's the pen?
Okay.
Guess you can use this.
And Mommy, can I still put on my gloves?
You can still put on your gloves.
Let's come.
Got it? Good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
If you want to, you can just do a PR. No, because we got, yeah, PRB.
PRB.
Like, you can do 10 with the P. So let's make a stack. Because we have how many Romas? 1, 2, 3, I mean beefsteaks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you need 17 that you're going to write with a B. You're just going to put right here, B.
Okay.
Got it?
It's kind of hard because I have my gloves on. Is it this one? Is it this one, Bobby?
Let's get what one?
This one.
Yep. You can write a B.
Okay, but maybe just take my gloves off. Because it's kind of hard. I put my gloves on.
So here's the ones you, and then when you get done and you wrote your B on it, like this one, let me know.
Okay. And this one B. And this one B. Mommy, and this one B.
Yep.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Let's take your tomato out. You'll fill it almost all the way, and then we're going to put it all the way to the light bar.
You. Oh, wrong side. Over. Beef. Beef. Oh, hair. Okay. Sorry, beef, Lola. What beef?
B is the beefsteaks. It's the ones I'm doing now. All right, so for this one we have 4. Same situation. You're going to take this out very gently. Then you are going to separate till they each get their own. Like this one. You take your spot. You want to cover it pretty much to all the hairy spots are covered, which here we're going to go there. So we stuff this in a little bit, and then we get some Okay, I need some dirt. Good amount of dirt. Press it in. You want it to compact itself a little. And there. Same thing with the next. You see all of this root?
Wait, can you wait?
Wow, what's wrong?
Can you wait until all these get to this height? To this height, please.
Why? What's wrong?
I want to go faster.
Why you want to go faster?
So you'll be late. So in the car.
What is this? A bee? Okay.
Where?
All right, peoples. Say hi, girls. Hi.
Hi.
All right, so now here they are potted up. I'm not done yet. I got like 5 more containers left and then we're done for the night. But these are how they look right now, just potted up. And by now you should have yourself a timer, which right now I have the timer set to on. So here's the timer.
I see this.
And as you see, it's on the on mode. I have it to auto, so that it's off during the daytime. And then, of course, off. It's on auto. And I forgot what time I have it
Since
set
it's been
to.
a couple of weeks,
But
I
think it's like
decided I
10
wanted
to
to show
10.
you guys what's going on with my seedlings that we uppotted today.
Alright, so that's left to auto.
This video was as of April 27th. And they are doing wonderful. As you can see, I created like a little greenhouse by putting some plastic over top of my grow system, only because my basement is unusually cold. I have not figured out what's going on. As you know, we've only been in this house for a year, but I was noticing that they were struggling when we had to turn the lights off at night. So I just went ahead and put plastic around it and it created like a greenhouse effect. And since then, they have taken off. Now, what you see here is a future experiment that I will tell you more about, but I'm trying to see if I can get my more bell pepper plants. So these are from the grocery store, and we're just trying to see if maybe we can get them to sprout. Maybe we can get more bell peppers this year. So as you can tell, I thought I was talking in this video, but I filmed it all in slow-mo. So this is why you got me having a voiceover here. Excuse that. Now, I did notice that we have a little bit of the yellowing of the leaves on the bottom. I'm not exactly sure what's happening with that. Our growing season is coming to a start. So literally, I just gotta harden these babies off. I'm thinking I'm gonna start hardening them off this weekend. And then that way we can start transitioning them outside. I think they're getting big enough to this point that they're just like, we need to be outside. I did want to show you a little bit of what else I have growing. All right, so we have my cold weather plants, which are here. So that is the collards that we're looking at. I believe we have like, I lost the tomatillo. We got to put it back. So these are my pepper plants. The pepper plants are doing really well. I'm actually really excited about what the pepper plants are doing. We're starting to see their second leaves. I am waiting patiently to uppot them. Other than that, we have all of our cold weather plants like the mustards, the kale. These are the Brussels sprouts that never came up. Um, Brussels sprouts did nothing for me, but my broccoli is doing well. I am learning that from now on, like these are my warm crops. You got tomatillos to far right, and then you have my peppers on the left. And next year I'm going to make sure that I plant all of my warm weather crops in one pan and all of my cold weather crops in another, because right now they're mixed in and it's killing me. Tell me what you would do. So let me show you our next tray. We have our celery that's growing big and strong. Beside it is the zinnias. And then those are our zinnias. And then we have our tomato plants. Those are all doing well as the loofah plant that we have over there. To this side, we have more, I think those are collards or mustards. We have our chamomile growing well. And then we also have our onions, which is a mix of Walla Walla and storage onions. And yeah, it's getting time for those to go outside. I want to thank you all for watching. If you're new here, subscribe. We're going to have so many more gardening videos coming up this season because we're just ramping up and it's time to put them out. But either way, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all next week.